Welcome to Dubai Islands. I am Mohit with Imtiaz Development, and today it's my pleasure to introduce you to our new property, Beachwalk in Dubai Islands. In Beachwalk, we have 1 beds and 2 beds, both with private pools. We have a Zen garden, we have a pool in the podium, we have a pool in the rooftop with infinity pools, and this is the ultimate in island living and luxury. All of our units are fully furnished, and that's why let me take you to the show apartment to show you our quality. Welcome to our show apartment. This is what you get when you have an apartment in Imtiaz. It is fully furnished with Bosch appliances, with a kitchen island, with the cabinets, the mirrors in the wall panels. Everything is part of the ensemble. We choose our locations based on the Dubai 2040 master plan, and we see Dubai Islands is one of the most profitable locations that you can find in the future. Therefore, our investment in Beachwalk is going to garner you better rental yield as well as higher capital appreciation. So, when you have a unit with Imtiaz, you'll be better able to compete with the market. This is an amazing opportunity to be one of those people to invest in Dubai Islands, to invest with Imtiaz. For more information, please call us.